Hello and welcome to this lecture where we are going to test DeepSeek using the web interface. You first need to access deepseek.com, click on Start Now and fill in your data in order to create your free account. After the account is created, you will visualize a web page similar to this one. The interface may change a bit at some point, so the positioning of buttons or labels may have some slight changes, but they will probably keep the intuitive and minimalist layout to maintain good usability. As you can see, it is similar to other LLMs tools. In the left panel, you can visualize your conversations, create a new chat. In your profile, you can access settings in order to set the language and information about the profile. To interact with the model, we need to specify a prompt, which is a text input used to interact with DeepSeek and other large language models. They are instructions or questions that guide the model to generate responses. In chat interfaces like this one, the model maintains the conversation history to provide contextual answers. Prompts are used for communication with the models. Well-designed prompts are important for generating accurate responses. Let's start by understanding how to interact with DeepSeek. We are going to ask simple questions to see how the model responds. This will help us understanding its communication capabilities and how it processes natural language. So we can type the following: "Hello, how are you?" Press enter. And here we have the result. There are some buttons here. You can like or dislike the answer, copy, and also, if you are not satisfied with the result, you can regenerate it. Now let's test the chat memory. We can ask another question. For example, what is artificial intelligence? The following text has been generated. To test the memory, we can ask the following: how it can be applied to healthcare. See that as we already specified here that we are talking about artificial intelligence, the algorithm understands that the word "it" is referring to artificial intelligence. So, it has used the previous answer in order to create the new one. Now we can specify the following: summarize in one paragraph. So, the algorithm understands that we are referring to the last text that was generated. Here is the result. If you want, you can pause the video and read the text that has been generated. If you are not satisfied, you can click on Regenerate. A new text has been generated. In the left panel, you will have the list of all chats. It is important to open a new chat when you talk about a different topic, so the memory is going to be properly used. That's all for this lecture, that you have learned the basic web page to access DeepSeek. In the next lectures, we are going to focus on some key features of DeepSeek. See you there!